Good morning everyone. My name is Aryan Kumar. I am a student of DIT University BTech CSE 4th year, and I have been part of this technical training from past 1 year, and this training has helped me a lot in my placements as well as my skills in learning DSA, including projects. My languages are Java, and I attended advanced training in MERN stack. So the projects provided by Skill Risers and Brain Mentors has helped me a lot in my placement drive. I got selected at Encryption Consulting Limited, and in there I had a project round where they cross-questioned me regarding the DSA and Java project. So I'm very grateful for them to help us learn these skills that are required for the industry, and I hope that every other student learn from this and make a better future life from it. Thank you.